Welcome to JH. Glyde Essence sounds like a fancy spa treatment, but it's actually a comfort-focused hybrid shoe, promising to save your heels, arches, and joints from the misery of walking. It claims to be the ultimate relief for your feet, but is it actually legit or just a one-way trip to a scam? Stick around until the end, because we're peeling back the layers on this one. First off, let's talk about their product images. We noticed something a bit awkward. They're all borrowed from other corners of the internet. Because why bother hiring a photographer when Google Images exists for free, right? It's a massive red flag, as real brands usually prefer to show you the actual product they're sending you, rather than a collection of stolen pixels. Then we have the classic panic buy strategy. They're offering a massive 65% discount. But wait, the offer ends at exactly 11:59 p.m., and there are only 6 pairs left. It's truly a miracle they haven't sold out in the 5 seconds it took me to read that. These are the oldest marketing tricks in the book, designed to make you stop thinking and start typing in your credit card details before your brain catches up. Moving on, they love to boast about being featured on big names like NBC News and Benzinga. We did a little digging, and surprise, surprise, there's absolutely no record of them anywhere. It's almost like they think putting a logo on a website magically makes it true. If that actually worked, I'd have an Olympic gold medal on my resume by now. They also claim that 91% of users reported less pain and better balance within the first week. That's a very specific and impressive number for a medical study that doesn't actually exist. Without any data or clinical proof to back it up, that statement is less of a fact and more of a creative writing exercise. Finally, they claim to have over 2,000 happy customers. Yet when we checked major review platforms like Trustpilot, we found absolutely nothing. It's a total ghost town. I suppose those 2,000 people are just too busy enjoying their miracle shoes to leave a single comment online. Given the copied images, fake badges, and imaginary stats, Glyde Essence looks completely unreliable. My advice: stay cautious and keep your money far away from this brand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews that actually tell it like it is.